All right, today we're going to bring a mason jar cover system, and this system is to take out air and seal the actual mason jars. Now, there's two types of mason jar sizes that you see here. They give you the actual covers and they give you information so you can actually mark them. So if you're storing food or vegetables or some sort of grains, you could actually write this information in here and store it in when it was concealed. All right, so they, like I said, they give you a couple covers to begin with, instructions, a can opener, because once you seal them up, they're very difficult to actually open them apart, and you're gonna have to use a can opener. They give you stickers too, labels that you could put on the side of the can, a type C to type A connection, the actual system itself, and the charging station, the type C. Now, to power the system is very simple. You hold down the button for a couple seconds, the system comes on, it tells you exactly how much charge it has. Right now we're currently at 68%. Now, to restart the system, you have to double click on it and it will automatically start. One important thing I forgot to mention, there's a lock mechanism and unlock, because like I said, there's two sizes. All right, if you guys can see, we have our mason jars here, our two lids, but because this is a smaller mason jar, we're gonna actually store rice. Now, if you are gonna store different kinds of foods that are like, for example, salmon, fish, or other things, look at instructions, because you also have to sterilize them and steam them and actually boil them, some of the stuff. So before you're gonna mace this stuff like that, look at your instructions or see other instructions how to actually properly store these. All right, so right now we're gonna give you guys a demonstration of how this works. Right now we have grains, which is rice. Right now this is perfect for rice because it's dry. We want to store it for a temporary system, so you could use it. Yes. There it goes. Once you see that, it released it automatically. You're able to hold on the mason jar and remove the actual system itself. And I'm going to show you something now. Look how strong this thing is. Look at that. Thin. Right now we have a thin little plate in here. And it's reusable. Just to let you guys know, reusable. But if you ever want more, they sell them online separate. But look at that. Simple. Keep all your stuff, preservative, and it's going to last long. So very simple to use the system. Two types of mason jars in here. I hope you guys enjoy the video.